Disabling Verizon Smart Family, a quick guide. Verizon Smart Family allows you to monitor and restrict usage on connected devices for family safety. To disable it, you'll need to cancel your subscription. First, log into your Verizon account via the website or My Verizon app. Navigate to Account, then Plans and Add-ons, Family Controls, and finally Cancel. Confirm your cancellation. Important notes: it takes effect at the end of your current billing cycle, and Verizon doesn't offer refunds for partial months. Now that you've canceled the subscription, let's move on to removing controls from devices. To fully disable Smart Family, remove controls from each managed device. Open the Smart Family app on the device and select Remove Device or Unlink. Alternatively, use the Verizon web portal, go to Devices, and disable the controls from there. Uninstall the app and restart the device for complete removal. For parental controls set at the device level, like iOS restrictions or Android Family Link, you might need to adjust those settings separately. A common issue is delayed propagation, which can take up to 24 hours. If you encounter problems, contact Verizon's support chat or call 1-800-922-0204 for assistance. Ensure all steps are followed to avoid residual restrictions. By canceling the subscription and removing controls from the devices, Verizon Smart Family will be fully disabled.